All right, let's switch gears just a little bit here. Officials have declared a burn ban for Vigo County. Vigo County commissioners enacted the ban Thursday, and it will remain in effect until November 15th. Officials say the following activities are prohibited in Vigo County: campfires and other recreational fires, open burning of any kind except grills fueled by charcoal briquettes or propane, the burning of debris, the use of burn barrels. Also, charcoal from permitted grills shall not be removed from the grills until the charcoal has been thoroughly extinguished. And finally, Clay County and Crawford County officials have declared a burn ban. And to view a burn ban map, all you have to do is go to our website, and it's got to be the dry weather, right? And the winds.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. Last night we had Clay County, then we added Vigo, and now Crawford County tonight. We'll probably see more counties added to that. And the main thing, we continue with this drought. You know, all of that shaded area, which is would be those counties under a moderate drought. So we're probably going to see the burn bans expanded. I don't see much rain in the forecast.
Just be smart and don't burn anything right now.
That's right. Be very careful out there. We're going to talk more about the chance of any rain in the near future and also some pretty cool weather. That's all coming up.